loose debris for slip and falls. Do I look like an Asian right now?
Huh?
I look like an Asian right now? This is the TC650E CNC lathe. Where are these manufactured?
Huh?
Where are these manufactured at? Warren?
Warren, yeah.
Manufactured in Warren, Pennsylvania. They're at Brookville Wood Products. Bwp Bats, I mean. It's a beautiful thing.
There you go. No sanding.
Oh, that is lovely. Wow.
Nice.
Look at that.
No sand.
There you go. Bring a little tight on the end. Still. Oh, that's even nice. Just a little pop off. There it is. Here's the master mechanic.
Cleveland Indians already 3 days late.
Hey, that's what happens sometimes, you know, with production. High demand.
Absolutely.
Sometimes you got a little setback. All right, Bwp Bats.